Yes, it's a problem as far as placating the farmers is concerned, but these are solutions that the Supreme Court has come up with. Also saying that buses in Delhi are also polluting, isn't it, Kanu?
Yes, Neha. They have also said that the buses currently plying in the Delhi capital is also creating a lot of pollution. As quoting the IIT study, which seems that the 15% pollution is there in Delhi just because of the vehicular movement, especially those trucks which pass through Delhi and go to the other states. This should be, but now we are seeing that the grab notification is already there enforced in Delhi, but this has now happened just a day before, not before the start of the season. So, the Supreme Court is saying that we should take the decision early and know, and we should now act and don't confine ourselves only on over the committee meetings happening here and there.
There are details that are emerging right now. Kanu is getting us up to speed with that. The Supreme Court has said it's still the same pollution nightmare year after year. Are we expecting an order from the court as well today itself?
Can you repeat your question, please?
I was asking you, the court, of course, has said we've got 0 patients, but are we expecting a concrete order? And has anything said about the role of the centre in all of this, Kanu?
Yes, the centre wanted to intervene when the Supreme Court then interfered and said that the centre can't interfere in such issues, and centre should at least come forward and help those states, and the issue should be resolved and convene a meeting of the officials and resolve this issue. So most likely the meeting is going to take place tomorrow, as far as I understand, because when we are speaking, the order is still being pronounced in the open court. So that needs to be seen whether the court will, all these observations come out in the proper order or not. That needs to be seen. And the only thing is that why Justice Kaul, who is one of the senior most members of the Supreme Court, has said that there is a 0 patients level, which is because the Supreme Court is monitoring this case since 2018, and no concrete solution has been found so far. And remember, Justice Kaul is the same person who was once heading the demolitions which happened in Delhi in the past, and that is why he has used the phrase that if I start using bulldozer, I will not stop. So the issue over here is that the Justice Kaul is pressing very hard to the all government.
In fact, we're getting in more details that we're getting, and this is extremely important. The Supreme Court has not just come down heavily on Punjab and Delhi, but has directed other adjacent states also. In fact, other adjacent states have been asked to stop farm fires, and this includes the states of Haryana and Rajasthan. The states of Haryana and Rajasthan have to stop farm fires, is what the Supreme Court of India has said. Not just Punjab and Delhi are responsible for this, but the other states as well. Rajasthan, of course, ruled by the Congress party there. This is what the court essentially has said. I'm going to go across to Kanu for more on that. UP and Haryana by the BJP. So it's collective responsibility is what the court is getting at, hinting at. Kanu.
Yes, the court is actually seeing the 5 states which join Delhi. They are seeing Punjab, Rajasthan, Haryana and UP also, and they have now issued directions for all the states that it is a collective responsibility of all the states so that Delhi doesn't suffer because of them. And that is categorically the main crux, that the pollution problem is year after year, and this needs to be curbed once for all, for every reason. And that is why the directions are being passed to other states as well to help Delhi citizens to maintain their health. The court at one point in time also said during the hearing that that health of the citizen is a prime responsibility of the state governments, and state governments should not shy away from doing this. And this is the way we are actually murdering. We are not controlling the pollution at this point of time. We're actually leading to murdering our citizens like this. So That is why the observations are coming from the top court, because year after the situation remains the same.
Terrible situation as far as Delhi city and the neighbouring cities are concerned, neighbouring areas, not just cities, but even rural centres. Now, with the Supreme Court directing Delhi's neighbours to stop farm fires, here's what the court has said, that we have zero patience level and growing paddy not as important as saving the lives of people. Supreme Court has asked Uttar Pradesh, Rajasthan, Haryana and Punjab to stop farm fires instantly. These are observations from the Supreme Court of India, even as they continue to hear this very important matter.